Alright, this is my vote car. Get out and vote 2020. Yep, had that running around the layout. And, you know, we're an equal opportunity offender here. So we had Trump on there that triggered a few. And we had Biden on there that triggered a few more. But we all know how that election turned out. And now we're living in, I don't know what's going on. But it's not good. So, hence the dumpster fire. And the old "I did that" stickers. Yeah. It's just one of those tongue-in-cheek, one of those funny cars that I probably won't be running it very much, but I just figured I'd put it together because, you know, it is goofy, it's fun, and it's April 1st. You know, what a great day to debut it. But this is how I made it. What I did was use plexiglass, made up these dumpsters, and put little hinges on the back of them, you know, using brass rod. And what I have inside here for the little bit of smoke, I'm kind of disappointed with the smoke, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money on this thing because it's such a, you know, goofy car to be driving around. But I got a couple incense sticks sitting in there. Yeah, so they kind of burn up at the various degrees. And then it's just a string of LED lights. I just made up like a little, out of wood, made up like a little thing I can easily pull it in and out of the car with, hit the batteries, shut it off. Yeah. And it's just a jar lid, metal jar lid that the incense sticks are sitting on. Yeah, just so they won't light the place on fire. Yeah, but I think it's kind of a fun, goofy car, you know. And if you got a sense of humor, I think you'll get a kick out of it. And yeah, that's it. I did that, Joe.